Hi everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about the derivation of the mirror formula. We all know what mirror formula is. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v is called as mirror formula. And now in this class we are going to derive mirror formula. That means how mirror formula is obtained. So first of all I am going to draw a concave mirror. Okay, this is a concave mirror. You know this is called as principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis P F C, and now we are going to draw the object. So object is kept here. Okay, this is the object O A. This is the incident ray drawn parallel to the principal axis. Then reflected ray should have to pass through F. Okay, it is passing through F. Now we all know that if the incident ray passes through F, then it will bounce back, sorry, C. Okay, now we can clearly see where the image is formed. Image is formed between F and C. So this is our image. This is the image. This is the image. This is I and this is some B. Let us take this point as C. And here I am going to join this line. This is P dash. You have to remember that P dash and P coincides each other. P dash and P coincides each other because these rays are called paraxial rays. It means those rays which are nearer to the principal axis are called as paraxial rays. And according to theory of approximation, P and P dash coincides. That means wherever P dash is there, we can take P. Okay. So now I'm going to compare these two triangles. See, in triangle, I'm changing the pen. Okay, in triangle ACO and triangle CIB, can I say these two angles are each 90? So what are the two angles there? Angle O is equal to angle I is equal to 90 each. And can we equal these two angles? These are vertically opposite angles. Angle ACO is equals to angle BCI. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, what we can say, these two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ACO is similar to triangle CIB, angle similarity. Okay. Now, I can say if two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So what is the corresponding side of AO? It's IB. It should be equal to. What is the corresponding side of CO? It should be IC. Let it be equation number 1. Now we are going to compare another pair of triangles. In triangle CP dash F and triangle FIB. This triangle and this triangle we are comparing now. Now we can say angle P dash and angle I both are 90. Angle P dash is equal to angle I is equal to 90 degrees. Another, these two are vertically opposite angles. That's why I can say angle CFP dash is equal to angle IFB. These are vertically opposite angles. So what we can say about these two triangles? These two triangles are also similar to each other. That means triangle CP dash F is similar to triangle FIB. Property is angle similarity. So what we can say now, if these two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional. CP dash over IB is equals to P dash F over IF. This is our 2. Now compare equation number 1 and equation number 2. AO and CP dash are equal. AO is this, CP dash is this. As it forms a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Denominator in both the cases, it is IB. That's why I can say both LHS are equal. Then obviously both the RHS are equal. So what I can write now? From 1 and 2, I can write CO over IC equals to P dash F over IF. I already told you that wherever P dash is there, we can write P. Instead of P dash, we can write P. Because distances are always measured from the pole, we take P as comfortable. CO by IC equals to P dash F can be written as PF over IF. See guys, you try to understand what I am saying now. So this is P, this is F, this is C, this is object, and here image is there. See, whenever I have to say about CO, see CO, I can write it as PO minus PC. Because distances are always measured from the pole, we write P. Everything should be written in the form of P. CO can be written as PO minus PC over IC. See, IC can be written as, IC means this, can be written as PC minus PI. PC minus PI is equal to PF. Already P is there, that's why PF can be written as PF. And in the place of IF, what we can write? IF can be written as PI minus PF. PI minus PF. Now tell me what PF is called as? Focus, focal length. And what PI is called as? Image distance. What PO is called as? Object distance. What PC is called as? Twice the focal length. So we'll substitute those values here. PO means U minus. PC means this is 2F over. PC is 2F minus. PI is V equals to. PF is focal length over. PI is V minus. PF is F. Now shall we go for cross multiplication? Yeah. So by cross multiplying, we'll get U minus 2F times V minus F equals to F times 2F minus V. So now tell me, U times V is UV minus U times F is UF minus 2 into VF plus 2F into F, 2F square equals to F times 2F is 2F square minus F times V is FV. So 2F square will be cancelled on both sides. We'll get UV minus UF equals to, already minus FV is there. The transposition of minus 2VF will become plus 2VF. So this is UV minus UF equals to VF minus VF is going to become VF. So UV equals to, this transposition of minus UF is going to become plus UF plus VF. So to obtain the formula, we are going to divide entire thing, entire equation with UVF. Dividing with UVF on both sides. UV by UVF equals to UF by UVF plus VF by UVF. See, UV will be cancelled, UF will be cancelled, and here VF will be cancelled. So what we got here? 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We can write it as 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. See guys, I have not applied any sign convention here, but we have to apply sign convention. We all know how to apply sign convention. See, in which side you are going to place the object, that entire thing is going to become minus, and opposite to that is going to become plus. But in this case, U is on this side, V is also on this side, F is also on this side. Then all are going to become minus. So we are going to substitute the values here. 1 by minus F equals to 1 by minus U plus 1 by minus V according to sign convention. Applying sign convention. See, minus 1 by f equals, I am taking minus as common. This is 1 by u plus 1 by v. Minus will be cancelled on both sides. Then 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v is called as mirror formula. So this is how we are going to derive the mirror formula. Hope you understood the class. Thank you.